Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Christina. Hold on, I'm right here. Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Christina and on this channel we talk about all things health, beauty and lifestyle. My aim is to feel good in my own skin and to support other women to feel good in their skin too. In today's video, we're going to be using the Moodstruck Addiction Palette number 8. If you saw my last video, you will have already seen the gorgeous shades inside this palette. It is expertly created, versatile and such a colorful palette. There is sunny oranges, golds and a little green color, and I absolutely love this palette. We're going to be creating a little bit more of a dramatic look today, so stay tuned for that. I'm super excited to show you. So let's have some fun putting together this new look. Let's get started. Okay, so step one, we will be applying our transition shade. This color is called Revived and it's such a happy, beautiful orange color. And you know, this is just going to be such a warm look. And you know, it's winter time just now, and so what a way to brighten up these cold wintry days. We have had snow here this week, so I'm just so longing for summer now. I think that's why I've gone for this look today. So I'm going to sweep that color gently into the crease backwards and forth, building up the color. And I'm doing it really, really intense today. I just want something really bright, really dramatic and really colorful. So I'm just going to be blending out the edge with a clean blending brush using sweeping motions. So using my fingertip, I will now use Invincible, a yummy gold shimmer to glam up those eyelids. And I'm going to apply a couple of layers to build up that color into a lovely rich hue. Why do I use my fingertip a lot? I love using my fingertip because I notice that when I use my finger, I seem to get such a more stronger color than if I was to apply using a brush. Obviously, it's entirely up to you what you want to use, but I find this works best for me, and I'm so in love with this color and this look so far. Doesn't it look absolutely gorgeous? I am in love. Okay, so step 3, I will be taking this dark burgundy color called Profound, and I'm going to be defining my eyes on the outer corner. So as I'm going for this dramatic look today, I'm going to be building that color really slowly to get a lovely bold intensity that I'm after. I'm just sweeping it upwards and outwards towards the brow and really giving it little circular motions to kind of blend it into the other eyeshadows. Then once I've kind of got the color that I'm after, I'm going to be using my blending brush to soften out the edges and really just smooth that look and blend it all together as beautifully as I can. I'm not perfect by any means, but I am trying my best, and I really do like the overall look. Once I've done that step, I will grab the color Revived once again with my small eyeliner brush and sweep that color under the eye, and this just will pull the look completely together nicely. Okay, so we are nearly finished for today, and just to really finish off this look, I'm going to be applying some black eyeliner just above my lash line and just keep it really simple. I'm not the best at eyeliner, it's something I want to get better at, so watch this space, but for now I like to keep it very simple and just use my black eyeliner pencil, and I use small strokes because doing it in one go tends to be a little bit more messy, whereas if I do it in little small strokes, I can be more precise and get that line, you know, looking more neat and tidy. And no look is complete without adding your lashes. So I'm using my 4D Epic today, and I love this mascara. It really adds volume and length, and it's got little fibers in it to really intensify those lashes. So a couple of coats and we're done. So I can't forget my lips, so today I'm using my Lucrative lip gloss in the color Ladylike. This is so glossy, so youthful looking, got a really rich color which is quite natural, and it just really makes my look come together beautifully. And I just really like a simple lip gloss. Do you guys like a simple lip gloss just like me too, or are you more a lipstick kind of person? Let me know down below. And voila, we are finished today's look. It is very, very sunshiny, very summertime, very warm, and I love it. It's really giving me summertime vibes, and it's snowing just now here, so I'm just like really, really excited for summer now. This is definitely going to be my go-to look in the summertime for sure. What do you guys think of the colors? Is this something you love, or is this something completely outside of your comfort zone? Let me know down below. I would love to chat. Okay guys, so if you love a bargain just like me, this month only we've actually got a bundle deal with up to 20% off on this palette. So if you want to check out what's all in the bundle, there will be a link in the description box below. Feel free to check it out, and if you've got any questions on anything, please reach out to me below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Okay guys, so we are finished for today. I hope you enjoyed this look. If you liked the colors that I have used today, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more health, beauty, and lifestyle videos like this, then please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you as a part of my little family. Have an amazing day, week, month, wherever you may be in the world. And remember, every day is a new day. Take a deep breath, smile, and start all over again. Bring the magic and inspiration always.